Hi guys, today we are going on a snowshoeing adventure through a trail near our house. We're gonna have some charcuterie. Babe, stop watching me. We're gonna start walking through the woods here and I will update along the way. I'm sinking in a little bit. Oh yeah. Oh, yep. Thank you. After a little bit of walking, we've made it to the snowmobile trail that we follow. And this will eventually lead us to a cutoff trail. And we will adventure in to hopefully find a frozen waterfall, but it is early in the season. Definitely has not been used yet this year. Very overgrown, no tracks, not too much snow out. Those are likely coyote tracks. Just following along. What's up?
It's more open than last time. Like somebody cut wood.
Yeah. Definitely that is a cut trail of logs.
No, this only means one thing.
They're gonna clear cut this? I hope not. Maybe they were just... I actually wonder where that goes to.
We can follow it.
I mean, I'm not walking over stumps, but...
No, that way.
I don't actually think the waterfall is going to be that frozen.
No, I feel like that's really the water.
We might actually have to, like, stop before it. I don't know if I can get down that hill.
Yeah, we'll just see that hill. But it might be easier with no snow on it.
True. Oh, actually, wait. Is that the water? No.
Yeah.
That's the water? Damn, that's loud. We are at the top of a hill. This is right before we see the waterfall. There's not much snow up here, so probably could have did with boots, but we're going for it. The waterfall is right back there. You might be able to hear the water running. And we are going up and then down. And we'll see if we can cross if it's frozen enough. Oh yeah, I can hear it. Oh! Oh yeah! Oh. I heard it cracking. Definitely was not recording for that. Anyways, we've made it to the creek. We're just gonna go back a little bit. I think Tyler's somewhere over there. And we're gonna start a fire and then have some charcuterie and just enjoy the rest. got salamis, prosciutto. Is that what it's called?
Prosciutto.
Prosciutto. We got some brie, or what's the actual name of it?
Camber?
Camber? Not sure. And then we got some aged cheddar, pickles, naan, chips, some pistachios, and candy. We're gonna melt the cheese over the fire and enjoy. Very good.
Here you go.
Got my somewhat melted taste test. How much? That?
Let me see. No more than that.
I'm almost at 2 cups.
Put a bit more.
Should I put the lid on? Or
Yeah.
just leave it?
I'll just leave it.
Does it look like it's gonna fall over?
Nope. A little bit, but it's fine.
We are just making some hot cocoa, waiting for our water to boil slowly but surely. And gonna eat some more and then enjoy some hot cocoa.
This diet works, Brandon.
See how well this pours. The what?
Me and Raul were talking about camping, and he's like, "Oh, you guys bring bread eaters?"
Bread eaters?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Oh. Bread.
Bread.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Isn't that cool? Hot cocoa. Almost done the hot cocoa. Our fire is slowly dwindling out. Gonna start packing up, and I'm gonna go clean our cups out and hike back. All cleaned up. We are just putting the fire out, getting our stuff packed up, put my snowshoes back on. Getting a little chilly now. Ah! We're gonna keep at her and maybe get us out of the waterfall on the way back, and we will tune in. Wonderful. Tyler's going for it. I don't trust it. Yeah, it looks pretty frozen.
Careful if you come down.
Yeah. Those 100% look like moose.
Yeah, that makes me confused.
Oh yeah. Alright, we are hiking back. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more like this, make sure you hit the like button. Leave us a comment down below. And I'll see you next time.